Whew. Monster. Ultra Paradise. Zero sugar. You guys need to have some of this. It is very good. How are you guys doing? It's your boy Jay Hernandez and we're back with another video. In today's video we're going to be looking at one of my biggest W's so far on the Snkrs app. Or I guess not so far, one of my biggest W's was definitely these guys right here. 23,000 pairs only made in the whole country or the whole world. I don't know if that's true or I don't know how true that is. But I actually took a dub on those and I just took a dub on my very first off-whites. I could have gotten a dub on those ugly trail track spiky off-white whatever they were, and I never went for them. Those things were hideous, they were ugly. Anyway, this is the very first off-white that I've ever taken a dub on, so I'm excited to show you guys that. But before we get to that, I want to say thank you to everybody that's been watching the video. Make sure you guys hit the like button right now. Just press pause, go down, hit the like button, share the video if you guys have any platforms to share it on, because I sure as hell don't. I ain't got no social media, so you guys got to help me out, help your boy out. Share this video and share it to your sneakerhead homies and just people. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. Subscribe if you're new, because you might never get to see this beautiful pretty face ever again, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys subscribe if you are new to the channel. So before I get started with the sneakers again, this t-shirt I picked up at a thrift at Goodwill a few weeks back, and I will be giving away the other shirts that I picked up. This one's not really a brand, so I wasn't gonna give this one away. But the giveaway that I am doing is this. Let me break it down for you guys. So I'm gonna be giving away a Harley Davidson t-shirt. This is a size extra large. It's cool, it's vintage, it's been washed a few times. Somebody drank beer in it for sure. And then we got this Kansas City shirt right here. Just a cool little t-shirt, man. It looks used and it just looks nice. This will definitely look good with the Obsidian 12s or the Indigo 12s. And then we got this t-shirt right here, which is the old this is like an old Jordan t-shirt from back in the day. I hope you guys do try to enter for that giveaway. I will have the details here soon. Make sure you guys have your post notifications turned on. Next, now we're going to get to the sneakers. If you guys don't have my post notifications turned on, you guys missed out on the opportunity to cop the Kobe 5 Protros, the PE, the DeRozans. They were giving away certain PEs. I don't even know if they might have had the PJ Tuckers. I think they just gave certain people different PEs. And for me, I got chosen to get the DeRozans again. I had that pair already in a 9.5. So now I got two pair, size 9, 9.5. One of them is going to my good buddy Dirty's Got Soul. Shout out to Dirty's Got Soul. He's definitely been helping out a lot with the channel. That shoe's going to my boy for retail. He knows how much he paid for it. You know, I didn't hit him over the head. You don't do that to your boys. So now let's get on to the big pickup, bro. Ooh, man, I'm excited for this one right here. Sorry for the glass glare. I just can't see, I'm blind, and I need to get more contacts in. I only got like one pair of contacts and I try to save those because I'm just a cheap bastard, or maybe I'm just lazy, I don't know. This sneaker right here, I really did want. This shoe right here, man, when I seen it, if you guys didn't watch my first episode of the Sunday sneaker service, I talked about this shoe and how I wanted it, but I knew that I wasn't gonna get it, so I was gonna go for Air Force One. I didn't end up going for the Air Force One because, you know, they were easy to get and I felt like I could get them for a sale price. But I'm not gonna get those anymore since I did hit on these. I was so happy when I seen that I got them. I just got the email and it showed me that I had email confirmation before I even got the got 'em sign. So I am super excited to open up this shoe and see what it looks like. I'm matching the t-shirt right here, so you know what I'm saying. Hey man, Halloween vibes, definitely, bro. I love Halloween. I love anything horror film based. Just a fire shoe in my opinion. Dope pickup. Whew, you guys see that bright box, bro? Damn, that mirror image right there. Whew, that chrome box. You already know there's some fire in there, man. I did end up getting rid of all my off-white dunks because I got so many dunks that I just started to get like picky and choosy on what I really wanted in my collection, and I just felt like those off-white dunks, I wasn't gonna wear them. If they did not have the Velcro strap that went around the upper of the shoe, I definitely would have kept those, but I didn't like that bungee strap, man. I wasn't digging it and I didn't feel like I would wear it. Sometimes you just gotta, you know, gotta improvise. Sell shoes and get more shoes. So here we have it, guys. Here is the box. It's a little bit beat up. You know what I'm saying right here. It just came with a little beat up right there, but it's okay. It's no big deal. These are a personal pair. Whew. Price tag. The price tag is kind of hefty on this one. Maybe it's because it's an off-white collab. It's $190. The colorway is black, white, green strike. Nike Air Rubber Dunk Off-White. First pair of off-whites for retail. There you guys see it right there. Hopefully it's clear for you guys, but there you guys see it, size 9. That is the label. You got your Nike check on top of the box right here, in that chrome box with the holes in it. You feel me? If you got any pit mice, you could definitely use this for some pit mice or something like that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, there you guys have the holes right there. Off-white box, trademark right there. So let's open this up. It says off and off-white. Just has like a bunch of little signs. It says Y2, Y2013, and yeah, this is what you're gonna get. It's like a wax-like paper. You're gonna peel that open. Peel it open. Oh wait. We got a stamp right there. A little stamp right there. You know what I'm saying? Authentication gang. Yeah. So let's open these things up and see what they look like. Ooh. Damn, boy. There you guys have them right there, man. Your boy took that dubski. Man. These are so fire, bro. Oh my god. Thank God, man. Bro, these are so fire. Oh my god, dude. The color is so fire. Everything about this sneaker, my god. Oh. Shit, this is fire, bro. This shoe is so fire, man. Oh my god, dude. Let's open this piece right here. Oh my god, dude. Just gotta inhale it, take it all in. Damn. Let me get rid of this box here, man. Put this paper back up in there. Throw this over here. Whew. Here you guys see it. Very beautiful shoe. Oh my god, dude. This sneaker is badass. Y'all see how happy you make a sneakerhead Nike when you sell the shoe to a actual person that values the sneaker? My goodness, man, this shoe is fire. Super fire. It's got the orange zip tie, and the zip tie is in a whole different material. It is not your wow, the zip tie is actually in a very different material. It's like a suede material. Probably can't see it very good. Let me turn down my lighting. So you got this zip tie in a suede material. Just something that I'm not used to. It's like a furry suede. It doesn't have any words on the zip tie. Yeah, no words at all on the zip tie. No letters, no nothing. Yeah, so nothing, completely nothing on the zip tie, guys. There's absolutely nothing on the zip tie. So that's what you could expect. I didn't know I was gonna have this, or like not have the words on it, and it's just let me see if you guys can hear that. You probably hear that. It's like a suede material. The shoe in itself is nice. I'm definitely not gonna wear it with these tags. I don't like these tags on the off-whites. I usually just take them out. I just slide them out and then I'll put them back in if for some reason I'm gonna sell it. But this one's not gonna, this definitely ain't going for sale. This shoe is fire, bro. I know I say that a lot on other videos of other sneakers, but this shoe right here is just crazy. It is something new. This is what I like. I like stuff like this. It's insane. You know, I know a lot of dunk hits probably don't like them because of that, because you know, it's kind of, maybe it's disrespecting the dunk a little bit, and the dunk is actually, the SBs are actually supposed to be meant for skateboarding. Well, we all know what happened. Your boy Travieso Scott put them on the map, and now everybody wants them. You guys already know it's got your own little air unit right here, and I mean, it's basically made out of rubber, bro. I mean, it is what it says. You feel me? The Nike swoosh is rubber. It's like that green outline and rubber. You got your little off-white orange tag right here. Nice little OG touch. Your laces are these really nice laces. It's not like your regular shoelaces. It's a different material for sure. And then you do got an extra pair of laces that come and attach to this right shoe. This is neon colored laces. Look very nice. Look very, very nice. Then you got your fat old tongue right there. It's like that foam deconstructed tongue. And then it says Nike off. There, you guys see that? It says Nike off right there. And just overall a super clean sneaker. There's the outsole for you guys. Outsole is super nice too. Pretty much the outsole is one of the only normal things off of the Dunk that's actually off of the Dunk. Everything else is kind of reconstructed. You guys see this right here? This is not off of the Dunk. This is off of a different sneaker. But that right there is a nice, cool little touch. A lot of people probably ain't gonna like it. I love everything about this shoe. You got all this is just rubber. These little green things right here, the little outline, the green outlines, that's just all rubber. This rubber cage right here, it's all rubber as well. And then of course you got your off-white lettering right there. Just dope, man. Overall, I'm super happy with the shoe, man. I'm super happy with this pickup. Retail, can't beat it. Can't beat a retail pickup. I love it, bro. Black midsole with green hits, green outsole. Super dope shoe. I'm trying to just take it all in. There's a lot to this sneaker. There's a lot to this sneaker. Oh my goodness, this sneaker is fire, bro. This material right here is like a nubuck. You got nubuck on the mud guard. Everything about this shoe, guys, I'm in love with. The sneaker is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I hope you guys enjoyed the little unboxings that I did. And yeah, man, it's been great. Snkrs app has been good. Snkrs app, keep blessing your boy. Stop blessing these bots. And I'm out of here. I love all you guys. Thank you for watching my channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys have a great week. This is probably a double upload. I just uploaded a on-feet of the Air Force One CPFMs. If you guys didn't watch that on-feet, you guys are missing out. That's a dope on-feet. I try to give you guys a bunch of different jeans to wear with and what to rock with it. I mean, it's not hard to rock the Air Force One, you know, especially if you're trying to rob a television. But hey, man, it's your boy Jay. I'm out of here. Laters. I'll see you guys on the next one. Sub up to your boy. Show some support in the comment section. And yeah, man, it's your boy Jay Hernandez, and I'm out of here. Peace out.